Yeah, yee.
Yeah, I want you to tell me what that stuff is. Looks like a new thing I've never had.
Yeah, let's try this out, man. It's thick so far. Not bad. Well, I've had it worse.
Oh, okay, that's not a good rating. I feel like that. You can tell it's different than wheat. It doesn't taste like wheat. I used to buy one called Pamela's. It was so good. Roger used to buy it for $4, and I found it at McAllen. It's expensive, so $7 for a tiny little pack. But it said it was gluten free. What she was eating, everything gluten. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Take 3 of them. Yeah, you'll feel better, man.
Trying myself.
Yeah, you'll feel. It works, man. It works. That's the thing. If it doesn't work, it's natural. It's all natural. It works. It's not synthetic, man-made. You know.
So Tony's gonna go get it.
No matter how much money you have, you have problems too. My dog Pookie just lost a leg. Look at the keys in the door. Let's see if we can get in here, man. Yes. Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. Man, it smells like coffee in here. You know you left your keys on the door.
Where, outside?
Yeah. He's pooping.
Huh?
He's pooping.
Oh.
No, I just was trying to help you out because so you won't have to cook
I
anything.
get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Not me to help, but you should have told me like 30 minutes.
Well, I didn't think of it.
Yeah, with the bread.
Oh crap! My oatmeal has ants in it too.
Really?
No, I don't know how they got on here.
Really?
Yeah, there's a couple of ants walking around.
No, that black
No, there's
stuff
not.
is chia.
Yeah, I already killed them.
They're on the table. I fried that bird, you know that some of them cooked. Huh?
Do you eat some ants?
I ate like a good, like maybe a half.
Well, they're not bad for you. You can eat ants. It just freaks me
They
out.
carry
you know?
bacteria though.
Yeah,
you get
yeah.
nauseated. You get sick.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Have you eaten ants?
I get you get nauseated.
You get nauseated?
You get sick, yeah. You get sick, and then I looked it up. It's because they carry bacteria. You have to like at least cook them.
Oh, what the hell? Yeah, they have bacteria in their butts. Wow, man, you learn something new every day. I thought you could just eat them. I mean, not that I want to eat them. Like I said, it freaks me out, but you've gotten sick before?
I went and ate ants, and then I got sick. I went and ate ants, and they said they carry bacteria. This is why you got sick. They carry bacteria. You have to at least.
Yeah, they at least cook them or something like regular food. Wow, that's still weird, man.
Put the milk up when you're done.
This is my milk. Mine. I bought it.
What happened? Where's my birth certificate?
I don't know. Damn it. All these stupid things are fucked. This is soft, man. Cause you're the next Jewberry, berry. And I want more. Cause you're the next Jewberry, berry. And I want more. So she got a piece of meat, but it had like ants on it, and I just started like slapping the meat.
Well, it's already on, huh? We take this.
What are those things?
Tomatillos. They're
Oh,
like tomatoes,
tomatoes?
but they're green. And they
So they're not ripe, or they're ripe?
They make the green sauce with that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
No, because he said he doesn't like, he loves that place, but he also didn't like going all over to be or passing or cheese or anything, you know? So anyway, I'm looking for a day when I can just have a migraine and then not have to do nothing. Stay home and rest. Isn't that terrible? Well, you don't get migraines, just...
What is that? All the meat?
Yeah, that's gonna go on the Avista salad.
What's in here then?
Beans. I'm gonna smash
Oh.
them. So they'll go on top of
There's some meat in there too, or what is that?
bacon and make it.
Bacon?
Yeah.
There's a lot of food.
And no, not a lot. No, not
All you can eat.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Stop.
Dude, Ryan's Toys Review has 32 billion views.
Oh, you should name your channel.
Stop.
Record. This looks good. Be quiet.
Don't make noise like that.
Me too, I want cheese. I don't really like it.
Man, let's try this out. Man, it's gotta be good.
It's gonna be messy.
Lettuce.
How you doing?
Oh, cheese.
I wash my hands.
Pour it instead of putting your hand down.
Oh, like this. Okay.
Stop.
There you go.
I don't know the amount. It doesn't work like that.
You want a spoon?
You're talking about not being messed. Stop. That was
No,
actually my
that's the- That's the
spoon.
lettuce.
Mm.
Oh,
You bitch. Stop. Oh, you know you can have it. I don't want it anymore. I need lettuce. Can you put lettuce?
Yeah, this is good.
Jared stole my spoon.
Nobody helped me cut the tomato. Nobody else helped. We had that one to get this stuff.
You didn't help.
No, chalupa.
Chalupa
Is
verde.
that chicken?
Can you pass the
Is that
salsa?
chicken?
Yes.
Salsa. Why does this look good? It look
Mom, there's someone sitting here on the 5th chair.
Uh-oh.
Kitty, pass the tomatoes.
That's an awful
Cute.
small person.
There's
Barely see their hands.
another one trying to get up here.
He says, pass the tortilla.
So you know, yeah, it's gonna be easy for you.
What grade is that?
I'm not. I'm on your phone. I'm doing something. It's a filter.
Okay, let's sing, everybody. Try to sing, and we're gonna sing it again if we don't all participate.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair. Yeah, it's pretty big. All right, so it's not as good as going to like a professional, but it's not too bad. But yeah, it's free anyways. It's free. Can't pay for free. Eh.